Ever wondered how a simple drink can add years to your life? Well, let me introduce you to the wonder drink, beetroot juice. This humble vegetable, when juiced, transforms into a powerful elixir, brimming with a wealth of nutrients that can promote overall health. This crimson potion is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, and minerals like iron, magnesium, potassium, and calcium. But that's not all. Beetroot juice is also rich in antioxidants, those tiny warriors that fight off the harmful effects of free radicals in our bodies, protecting us from chronic diseases. And the best part? All of these come in a delicious, naturally sweet drink that's as refreshing as it is beneficial. So, next time you're looking for a beverage, why not reach for a glass of beetroot juice? Imagine that. A drink that not only refreshes but also nourishes and protects your body. Now, you might ask, what exactly are the benefits of this vibrant red drink? Well, let's dive right in. The first and one of the most significant benefits of beetroot juice is its ability to help manage blood pressure. Thanks to the high nitrate content found in beetroots, consuming its juice can reduce hypertension, leading to a healthier heart and a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. But that's not all. Beetroot juice also aids in digestion. The fiber content found in this scarlet wonder can help keep your gastrointestinal system running smoothly, offering relief from constipation and other digestive issues. So, it isn't just a tasty drink, but a digestive tonic as well. Moving on, for those with an active lifestyle, beetroot juice can be a game changer. It's proven to enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen use and time to exhaustion. So, whether you're a casual gym goer or a seasoned athlete, a glass of beetroot juice can give you that extra push you need to reach your fitness goals. And let's not forget about brain health. The nitrates in beetroot juice can improve mental and cognitive function by promoting increased blood flow to the brain, particularly in the frontal lobe, which is associated with higher-level thinking, decision-making, and memory. Now, on to liver health. Beetroot juice is packed with antioxidants, and these help to detoxify the liver and protect it from oxidative damage and inflammation. It's like giving your liver a well-deserved cleansing spa. Finally, drinking beetroot juice can give your immunity a boost. It's rich in vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. Plus, the iron content in beetroot can increase the production of healthy red blood cells, giving your body's defenses an extra layer of protection. So, with each sip of this rich drink, you're not just quenching your thirst but also paving the way to a healthier and longer life. Intrigued by the power of beetroot juice yet? Let's recap what we've learned so far. Beetroot juice, this vibrant, earthy drink, is packed with nutrients that can transform your health. It's not just about its high vitamin C content or its ability to lower blood pressure. It's about the whole package, the full spectrum of benefits beetroot juice brings to the table. From boosting your stamina and enhancing brain health, to supporting weight loss and improving skin health, beetroot juice touches every aspect of your well-being. It's about more than just consuming a beverage. It's about adopting a lifestyle that prioritizes health and longevity. The Beetroot Advantage is clear. By incorporating this potent drink into your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier, longer life. You're not just drinking a glass of juice, you're drinking to your health. Remember, a glass of beetroot juice a day keeps the doctor away, so why not make this potent drink a part of your daily routine and witness the transformation yourself?